Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cooler carts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Leigh Country Cooler Cart. The Leigh Country Cooler Cart is the first model on our list, and it's ideal for those long summer days spent in the sun. The cooler features a timeless Coca-Cola design with 3 charming retro designs available to choose from. It's also outfitted with durable, sturdy wheels for easy transport, and includes a drain plug and attached chain. You can easily add ice or replenish your drinks thanks to the removable cover, and your drinks will stay cold for hours thanks to the insulated polyliner. The powder-coated bottle opener and cap catcher are a great way to open your drinks and keep the caps from getting lost. Plus, the 4 casters make it easy to move the cart around, and 2 of the casters lock, so you can keep it in place. This cooler cart is the best among its competitors because of its high storage capacity, reasonable price, and amazing features. Moving on at number 4, we have the Clevr Cooler Cart. If you are looking for a practical and stylish way to keep your drinks cool during parties or picnics, the Clevr Cooler Cart is perfect for you. This versatile product features a 20-gallon capacity, so you can easily store up to 70 cans or 50 bottles inside it. The smooth powder-coated steel exterior and phosphorus monophosphide-lined injection foam insulation body keep your drinks cold, while the fully removable hinged lid provides easy loading access. This model comes with a bottom shelf for extra storage space, and the built-in bottle opener, cap catch tray, and drain spout make it easy to enjoy your drinks on the go. It also has 4 large, multi-directional wheels and 2 strong handles that make it easy to move. And, for more security, the 2-wheel brake lock system keeps it in place when you need it to. At number 3, we have the Suncast Cooler Cart. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or just enjoying some time outdoors, the Suncast Cooler Cart is a great way to keep your drinks cold and close at hand. This attractive model features a wicker-look design that will complement your existing outdoor decor, and it's large enough to hold up to 72 cans. The wire basket and bottom cabinet space make it easy for you to grab what you need, and the durable resin construction ensures that this cart will provide years of quality use. Plus, it won't take up a lot of room on your patio or deck. So don't let a little heat stop you from having a good time. Get this product and enjoy cool, frosty drinks all summer long. At number 2, we have the Permasteel Cooler Cart. Next in the line, we have the Permasteel Cooler Cart, a perfect addition to any outdoor patio setup. This sturdy cart features a sleek classic antique finish that easily matches the existing lawn pieces you have. Even more, this cooler model is easy to move around with its 2 side handles and 4 casters. It even features easy-to-open lids, a bottle opener, and a cap catcher for some added convenience. With a lower rack for extra storage, you can store up to 10 to 12 cans of your favorite beverages. Best of all, the quality powder-coated finish is weatherproof and rust-resistant. With this evergreen outdoor product, you'll keep the party going all summer long. And finally at number 1, we have the Trinity Cooler Cart. The Trinity Cooler Cart is perfect for those who love to entertain. This stylish model can hold up to 20 gallons, making it ideal for large gatherings. Made of high-quality 304-grade stainless steel and boasting a lid with a dark bronze speckled finish, it's both beautiful and durable. It also features casters for easy mobility, an attached bottle opener, and cap catcher, and a drainage plug. It's easy to set up and only takes a few minutes, so you can get right to the fun. With its attractive design and convenient features, this product is a must-have for any entertaining space. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.